Have you ever looked at your lawn and wondered, why isn't it thriving like the neighbors? Today, we're diving deep into troubleshooting your lawn, with tips straight from the pros. Maintaining a lush, green lawn can seem like a puzzle. But don't worry, we're here to solve it with you. A healthy lawn is not just pleasing to the eye. It's also crucial for the environment. So, grab your gardening gloves. We're getting to the root of the problem. Let's start with the basics. Water. Is your lawn getting too much love in the form of water, or perhaps not enough? Overwatering can lead to shallow root growth. And underwatering? That leaves your grass thirsty for more. Here's what the pros recommend. Ensure your lawn gets 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week. But how do you measure that? Simple. Place a tuna can on your lawn when you water. Once it's full, you've hit your mark. Next up, let's talk soil. Soil health is like the foundation of a house. It needs to be solid for your lawn to thrive. A simple soil test can reveal a lot. Too acidic? Too alkaline? Lime can sweeten acidic soil, while sulfur works for alkaline soil. Now, onto mowing. It might seem straightforward, but there's an art to it. Cutting your lawn too short can stress the grass. The golden rule? Never cut more than a third of the blade length at a time. Sharp mower blades are also crucial. Dull blades tear the grass, leaving it vulnerable to disease. Speaking of disease, let's not forget about pests and weeds. A healthy lawn can fend off these invaders better than a weak one. But prevention is key. Use natural pesticides and herbicides to keep pests and weeds at bay. Fertilization is next on our list. It's all about the timing and the right type of fertilizer for your grass type. Slow-release fertilizers nourish your lawn steadily, without the risk of burning it. Aerate your lawn too. This helps nutrients, water, and air reach the roots. It's like giving your lawn a breath of fresh air. And let's not overlook overseeding. This technique introduces new grass seed to fill in bare or thin spots. Choose a seed mix that matches your current lawn for best results. Now for some real-life stories. Meet John, who transformed his patchy lawn into a lush green haven, simply by following these steps. And Sarah, who saved her yellowing lawn with just the right balance of water and fertilization. Their secret? Patience and persistence. So, think your lawn is beyond saving? Think again. With these tips, you're well on your way to a healthy, beautiful lawn. We've covered a lot today, from watering to soil health, mowing, and beyond. Remember, every lawn is unique. But with these pro tips, you're equipped to tackle common challenges. Liked what you learned? Give us a thumbs up and share this video with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Got questions or your own tips to share? Drop them in the comments below. Let's grow our community of green thumbs. Thank you for watching.